team is continuing to look ahead to tomorrow's special session when the governor will ask the legislature for $200 million to help Hurricane Matthew victims.
Our Nate Rogers joins us live from Fayetteville, where many families hit hard by the storm are still struggling to make their way back to normal. Nate?
Yeah, guys, I don't know if you all can see right now. It's kind of dark out here, but this is really the grim reality of nearly every home on this block. If you can see all of these storage units in East Fayetteville, this is what a lot of homeowners are dealing with now. During Hurricane Matthew, several feet of water entered nearly every home here on Montgomery Street. Now, most of the residents are living in hotels and with family members because their homes remain unlivable. For many, like Sandra Baptiste, that means several $1,000s in flood damage. Baptiste says FEMA gave her a couple $1,000s to replace installation in her home, but there is much more work needing to be done.
I had to pull the insulation out. I had to get machines to get the floors dried. My air condition, my heating system, all that was damaged.
Now, Congressman David Price returned to East Fayetteville today and toured homes along Hadley Court. Price serves on the House Appropriations Committee and has been in touch with Governor McCrory about additional funding for Matthew victims. Now, coming up tonight at 6, residents tell us not only are they frustrated with the delay in getting funds, but also they're receiving some unexpected bills from the financer of the location that helped them get these homes. We're going to share more tonight at 6. In Fayetteville, I'm Nate Rogers, CBS North Carolina.